It's a Halloween party for Jade and her friends, and you're invited.
I have little chicken fingers that are green, made with a little matcha, and I put a little nail on them. So I used a sliver of almond. They're all ingredients that are relatable in real life. Then you take it to another level and make it sort of creepy but fun and tasty. So we added some panko, and I love panko because it's so light and it creates a nice crunchy crust on the outside of the chicken fingers. By the way, Jade loves chicken fingers, so I always try to find new creative ways to make them. Then on top, we're gonna add a little bit of something known as matcha powder. And matcha powder is basically just green tea all powdered up. I'm just gonna mix this together, and you can start to see it turns a pale green color. Take my chicken tenders, and I'm just gonna dredge them a little bit of flour, and then a little bit of egg wash. And the egg wash is just a few eggs beaten. This creates a really nice crust. So the flour sticks to the chicken tenders and allows then the egg to create another layer, and then the egg allows the panko to stick to it. And that layer kind of creates a nice tender chicken after it's cooked, but nice crunchy crust. All right, lay them down on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and here comes the fun. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little almond sliver, just like this, okay? And I'm gonna take a little pastry brush, take a little bit of the egg wash, and just kind of dab it ever so slightly right in there. Take this little almond sliver and put it on the thinnest side of the chicken tender. The egg just helps it stick. That will act as the nail to the little finger. So kind of fun, right? All right, I'm gonna finish dredging all my chicken fingers and then bake this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. After they're baked, I'm gonna put them in hot dog buns, and then I'm gonna top it with thick ketchup all over the top.